Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if your AirPods are connected to your Windows 11 laptop but there's no sound. So to fix this, first head to the System tab here. Now here you will need to click on Sound. Now in this menu, make sure your headphones or that your AirPods are selected as the default output device. Additionally, scroll down and make sure your headphones or AirPods are selected as the default input device as well. Now scroll up and make sure you have disabled this mono audio option. Now scroll down and go to more sound settings. Now go to the communications tab here. Now select either reduce the volume of other sounds by 80% or 50%. Select either of these options and hit apply. Now if you still experience problems, right click on the start icon and then go to device manager. In the device manager window, expand Bluetooth. Here you should see a couple of entries of your AirPods. Simply right click on the first entry and select uninstall device. Now click on uninstall again. Now right click on the second entry, uninstall it as well. Once you have done that, head to the settings app. Now go to the Bluetooth and devices tab and then remove your AirPods from here. Once you have done that, simply go ahead and restart your Windows 11 PC. After the reboot, go to this add device option, select Bluetooth and then pair your AirPods one more time. Once you do this, your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.